Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. I'm going to go over the markets. It's Friday, April 8th. You had positive trade really across the board. Looks like maybe some buying came through, especially into the meats, and then the soybeans. Soybeans closed up about 12.5 cents. Corn only up 1/4 cent, and then wheat was up anywhere from 3 to 5 cents. So you're starting to see that trade unwind that we've seen the last couple of days with corn gaining on both beans and wheat. You wanted to take back that relationship a little bit, and it looks like beans are trying to bid for some acres, a little bit, being up 12.5. Now, you've really probably just gained back a majority that you lost earlier throughout the week. Not a whole lot happened. You didn't really get much. Corn is about 3.62, which is actually about 4 cents, 4 to 5 cents below what it was prior to the report. So even though we had that aggressive sell-off, we've been able to really slowly come back. It hasn't been any big moves by any means, but slowly we got back close to where we were before that report. Meat markets also up buying there, with live cattle up $2, feeders up over 3, lean hogs mixed there. Outside markets, the crude market really found some buying. It bounced off support around 35 a couple days ago and really didn't turn back, up over $2. The Dow was up hard earlier but faded throughout the day, only up about 20 points, and the dollar was anywhere from 10 to 30 cents lower. So what's really moving this market? You're going to have a crop report on Tuesday next week. That doesn't usually give too much information, so it shouldn't be too much of that, but planting is going to be the big one. That extended forecast is looking very favorable to get in the ground and get things rolling. So it'll be interesting to see how those stories come about and see if we can keep pace. Monday will be our first chance at a planting progress report that we'll get at 3 o'clock. And then also one interesting thing is you've gotten updated weather models from a couple different sources that have kind of backed off that La Nina phase coming earlier. It looks like it's pushing it back to July, August, which is even pushing back the heat and the dryness, which means they're not calling for as much heat and as little as precip throughout the summer that a lot of people have been preaching for a while now. That hot and dry summer, those extended forecasts have kind of backed away from that for a couple different sources. Now a lot will change between now and July. You'll see a lot of different updates there, but it is interesting to note that that has happened. Other than that, not a whole lot of news out there. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.